the need for this shift, not just in, people out there looking for the jobs and saying, okay, I got to think more like an owner, but from the company side are saying, all right, we have limited resources as far as cash. What are 3 or 4 different things we can do in lieu of cash to make somebody really happy? And it always comes down to the equity. And, make somebody an owner. Align their goals with your goals, and everybody will always be happy.
Yeah. Yeah. If you give people a chance to bet on themselves, you'll figure out really quickly who has the self-confidence to do it. That's the person you want.
That's it. The salesperson who says, I need a big base is not a good salesperson. Is not a good salesperson.
The salesperson wants a big base. Beware of that person.
Beware.
Okay.